All right, it's a lazy Sunday for sure. Just kind of feeling it. Been out on the road a week now. It's day 9. Still in Las Vegas, and had a rather sedate evening last night. Vegas is certainly not what it's known for these days. It's a different place, like many else. But today we're heading out to
Rhyolite, Nevada, which is one of the ghost towns that is close to Las Vegas.
close 2 hours away.
2 hours is close. It's a desert. Things are far apart.
Given the distances we travel, that's close.
It's next door.
Basically next door. So we're going to see what's out there. It's a little windy. Don't know if I get the drone up today or not. Then from Rhyolite, we're going to
take a scenic drive through Death Valley to see what's there.
Step up and let Alien Zoltar read your mind.
unexpected stop today at
The Alien Center rest stop / restaurant / gift store /
brothel.
alien brothel.
Alien brothel.
The high point, besides me dropping $123 on Kitsch, was they have an alien Zoltar, who is freaking amazing. The fact that they rejiggered a Zoltar machine to have an alien, mind you, wearing a gold turban to tell your future for $5, which I did not do because I was just so happy to see him, was amazing.
That was pretty cool. Definitely unexpected. Lots of aliens. Lots of stuff to buy.
Flat penny machine,
Flat penny machine.
which is
Zoltar.
always a plus,
Yeah,
and a Zoltar, which is like all my favorite. Aliens, flat penny machines, and a Zoltar in one spot is like Kirsten Mecca.
So we are currently exiting.
Death Valley
We have seen the death.
and the valley.
And the valley. We can say that 100 feet below sea level
We've been there
is a little more tolerable
than 14,000 feet above
sea level.
sea level.
And I'll just insert this now so you can see exactly where on the map it works. So if you ever want to visit Death Valley, you'll know where to go.
You and your GPS may have disagreements about things, so bring a real map or pay attention at the
Or one
rest
of those
areas.
book mappy things.
Those books full of maps.
Books full of maps. What are those called?
Also known as atlases.
Oh, atlases. Yes. Learned about those. So we are now heading back to Las Vegas to hopefully grab something to eat and leaving Death Valley. So onward and upward.
And upward, because we're above sea level. My ears are popping.
And mine too. All right. So we made a stop during the middle of what is probably the craziest damn dust storm I have ever seen in my life, to be honest.
It's very windy, and
Very dusty.
the dust is blowing around Pahrump like it's getting paid to do
There's
it.
currently a woman behind us getting out of a car who's like she's getting blown away. But we had to come to Pahrump, not for the bunny ranch, but for
Seymour's Ice Cream, which is the tallest ice cream stand in the world. And we're having ice cream in cups because you can't get cones during COVID anymore. It's not a thing. So I'm having vanilla custard.
I'm having chocolate vanilla with some sprinkles. It's a little up to debate whether it's the tallest ice cream stand in the world.
There's signs that say it is, and I found it online. And the internet doesn't lie.
What else do you do after a long day of going all the way out to a ghost town, Death Valley,
And a windstorm.
and a windstorm? You go to Evil Pies in Las Vegas for some evil pie, which this is ice cream and now pizza.
We're on a health food kick.
It's definitely a healthy food kick. Now, after this, we're going to hopefully do something pretty cool. It's like windy out there, literally a crazy windstorm. But hopefully we'll do something really cool on the way back, and that'll kind of round out the video for today. Unless, of course, that doesn't work, and then you're just going to have to sit here and watch us eat pizza for the next few minutes. So, hope you enjoy it. But this is dinner. There's Kirsten's. What's that called, Kirsten?
It's called Balls to the Wall.
Balls to the Wall pizza.
There's meatballs on it.
meatballs, balls to all pizza. You had that the last time we were here, right?
Because it's amazing.
It's amazing.
It's regatta meatballs. What could possibly go wrong?
So hopefully that'll round out the evening. We'll post some cool footage over this to kind of say sayonara to our stint here in Las Vegas as we go on another adventure tomorrow. Adios.